Hello. You're watching the Immersive Learning Tutorials with Experizer series. This is your how-to guide for creating immersive experiences for your learning content. You are here to create an amazing hands-on 2D experience. So, what is the hands-on 2D experience all about? There are multiple ways for its use. You can use it as an icebreaker in your classroom sessions and generate participation. Or, how about having a 3D cube that includes digital images on the four faces? Well, that's exactly what this template helps you do. You can explain technical diagrams or outline key features of a product. You may want to display the key components of a machine. That's how handy this template is, the hands-on 2D template. Learners always accept new ways of learning, and Experizer is just about that. It's simple, quick, and immersive. Are you excited to create this experience? You first need to log into Experizer. Go to studio.experizer.com and claim your free account today, or sign up for a subscription. From the home page, choose the hands-on 2D experience. Give it a name and that's it. Your customization will start from here. We'll now move on to understand the steps in this process. On the left panel, click on Cube Faces tab. You can choose what you need to display on the face of the cube. You can select between text and an image. Enter text if you choose text, or upload an image once your selection is done. Similarly, customize other faces of the cube. There are 6 sections that need to be completed. Here's one tip. You can also drag over the cube to rotate it. Now, move your cursor over the left-hand side of the dashboard and click on Splash Screen. A splash screen is useful to add text that appears before your experience starts. This is the text that briefs your first-time user what to expect or how to use it. You can edit the content to give instructions to the user, as you can see on your screen right now. Use the options to customize it. Are you done? That's great. Now let's print the cube. On the right panel, click on Download and Print. A PDF file would be downloaded. You'll see all the instructions on how to cut out the cube. Here comes the exciting element of the hands-on 2D experience. Watch carefully. Go back to your screen and click to open the same experience. Allow the camera access to Experizer and you're all set. Hold the cube in front of the camera, and rotate the cube to view the model in different images. Isn't that simply amazing? Here are some quick tips. Remember to hit save at any point of your customization. Click Preview to view your experience. Click the Guide Me button as a guide. Move the cursor to understand individual areas of the experience. That's your online guide helping you out. Once you're ready with your customized experience, click the Publish tab and you're all set. You can also view the experience at any point under the My Experiences tab. This experience can be embedded easily with your existing courses or used as a micro-learning experience. If you have any questions, do write to studio@experizer.com. Remember to subscribe to our channel for further updates.